Hello, welcome to another great video. Today we are going to dig this out, patch this up. I got along this way over here, so I'm trying to not go so fast, but gonna patch that up a little bit down there. I'm gonna use this vinyl cement patch. What had happened, from what I heard from the neighbor, is when the guy bought this or built this house, I don't know, almost 40 years ago already. He put in this concrete slab over here, and I don't think he knew what he was doing, and it started setting up on him pretty fast. That happens. I don't know if it was really hot out or what, but he was rushing, and I just think that, you know, with age and everything, this is probably just popping and everything. So I'm just gonna try to dig this out as best as I can. I'm not gonna go super deep. And this is almost as strong as the concrete. Gonna do it today because it's probably gonna be one of the last weekends that's gonna be really super warm out. Next week I think they're only saying highs in the 50s. Alright, days are getting where we can't depend on the weather so much before that snow flies. Just want to get some stuff out of here. Tell you right now, I'm no expert in concrete. I don't play one on TV or anything else, so I'm gonna do my best with the little knowledge that I have on concrete. So if I'm doing something wrong, you can always let me know in the comments. Speaking of comments, probably a good time to hit that subscribe button if you like these videos. I also have another channel, slot channel, that I play, you know, do some my slot machine stuff, go to the casinos and stuff like that. It's not a very big channel right now, but it's called DAB Slots, keeping it real. And like I say in the videos, I'm 60 years old, and I've been playing since I was about 21 or so, and I still haven't had a hand pay. It's just, you know, some things are on your bucket list and you want to conquer something. I know it's all tax, you got to deal with the taxes and stuff, but I would just like to experience a hand pay. I keep trying. Maybe somebody's telling me something, I don't know, but I've been to Vegas to gamble. I've been to other states, other parts of the state to gamble, and came close a couple times, but not for sure. All right, I think we're going to leave this dry out a little bit, and we'll come back to it and fill it in. Okay, I got some vinyl patch in there. Let's mix it up. It's like cake batter. Okay, it's a little too runny. Let's add a little more patch in there. Just a touch of water. It says you can walk on this after a day and then drive on it after 3 days, depending on the temperature and the humidity. Dew point is like 62, and the temperature is probably pretty close to 70 right now, or a little warmer. All right, that's thoroughly mixed. Let's add it to the lower it down a little bit. Yeah. This is all I have for a trowel. It's a putty knife. Anything will work. Okay, we're back. A lot of airplanes flying this time of year. Looking at the fall colors. I think next week will be around peak for this area. Cut my finger in there. Okay, that's about the best it's probably going to get. Now I got to continue on over there. Okay, here we are. I got this done, and I got this area done. I ran out. I couldn't get this area done. I don't know if I'll get this done yet this year, but at least I got this bigger patch done and that patch done. Not bad for an amateur. I mean, better than what it was. So, I think I'll write my name in it. No, I'm just kidding. You know, that's just one thing. When I was growing up as a child, obviously, our next door neighbor, he worked in concrete. And I remember, you know, when houses were being built in our subdivision, people would get driveways put in, and then we would sit there and watch. We'd stay out of the people's way, and then they would lay the concrete down, smooth it all out, you know, and everything, and then there would be a guy that would trowel the cracks, you know, when it's set up, not right, you know, right away. And now everything is so different. There's hardly any bending down on the concrete. You know, they've got them big floats that go across, and then they come the next day to cut the concrete. You know how things have changed in the years. It's just weird. So anyway, yep, I hope you like what I did here. Give me a thumbs up, and we'll see you again when I put out another video. Thanks for watching.